Today, we're diving into ReWeb, a tool that's been making waves in the web design world. If you've ever felt stuck between the design flexibility of Framer and the code-friendly power of Webflow, ReWeb might just be the perfect middle ground. It was launched in late 2024, so it's a relatively new tool, so be the first few to utilize its features to superpower your projects. ReWeb is a visual web designer for Next.js and Tailwind CSS, and it's built for developers and designers who want to create stunning, responsive websites without getting bogged down in code. But what really sets it apart? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through all of ReWeb's main features, show you how it stacks up against tools like Framer and Webflow, and even demonstrate how to use it alongside V0 for AI-powered prototyping. Plus, I'll rate its features and give you my honest thoughts. So, whether you're a developer, designer, or just someone who loves building things quickly, this video is for you. So, what exactly is ReWeb? At its core, ReWeb is a visual editor for React.js and Tailwind CSS. It's designed to help you build websites faster by giving you a visual interface to work with while still generating clean, exportable code. Unlike traditional drag-and-drop builders, ReWeb doesn't lock you into a proprietary system. Instead, it outputs a full React and Next.js project with Tailwind CSS, so you have complete control over your code. Here's why that's a big deal. If you're a developer, you know how time-consuming it can be to write repetitive code for layouts, components, and styles. ReWeb takes care of that for you, letting you focus on the creative and functional aspects of your project. And for designers, it's a game changer because you can visually design your site while still working within the constraints of real code. No more guessing how your design will translate to the final product. ReWeb shows you exactly what you're building in real time. As we log into our account, we can see the various pages in its dashboard. Let's take a look at some landing page templates. These templates have great variety and are perfect to create a fully custom landing page for your new SaaS business. They look similar to the templates you get using Framer, which is crazy. Let's use a template and test the AI features of ReWeb. The interface looks very much like Framer, but you get two input areas to chat with AI. On the right sidebar, you can give the AI a prompt to change the theme and colors of the design only. Let's test this out. We can try with another prompt. The colors look cool in my opinion. What do you guys think? The input on the bottom lets you create actual sections of the page. I tried asking it to edit existing sections of the design, but unfortunately that doesn't work. It can only create and add new sections at the end of the design. Unfortunately, unlike Framer, you cannot edit each individual component yourself. Maybe I'm missing some option to enable it, but I tried to find the options to edit individual elements to no avail. I suppose the main advantage of ReWeb is that it provides you the complete code. You can get the code for individual sections for free, but if you want to download the complete code, you will need to subscribe to one of their plans. With a subscribed plan, you get the option to download the complete project and all the source files, not just basic code. Let's download it and test it in VS Code. Another great feature is that you can import code into the design. A great supplementary tool to use with the ReWeb is V0. You can simply copy your code from your V0 design and import it in your ReWeb project. For advanced users, ReWeb lets you customize your Tailwind config. This means you can define your own color palette, typography, and more, ensuring your project stays on brand. Now, let's talk about how ReWeb compares to other popular tools like Framer and Webflow. Framer is fantastic for designers who want to create interactive prototypes quickly, but when it comes to exporting code, it can feel a bit limited. ReWeb, on the other hand, gives you full access to your codebase, making it a better choice for developers. Webflow is a powerhouse for building responsive websites visually, but it can feel overwhelming if you're not familiar with its ecosystem. ReWeb simplifies this by focusing on Next.js and Tailwind, which are already widely used in the dev community. So, if you're looking for a tool that bridges the gap between design and development, ReWeb is definitely worth a try. Here's a breakdown of ReWeb's features and rating. Ease of use. I give it an 8 out of 10. The interface is intuitive, but there's a slight learning curve if you're new to Tailwind. Customization, 7 out of 10. The code features are amazing, but there are not many design editing options. Integration, 9 out of 10. Works well with tools like V0 and Shad Scene UI, but could expand its ecosystem. Export options, 10 out of 10. Clean, exportable. Next.js code is a game changer. Overall, ReWeb is a powerful tool for developers and designers who want to build fast, responsive websites without sacrificing control. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a step in the right direction. If you're excited to try ReWeb, check out the link in the description to get started. Let me know in the comments what you think about ReWeb and how it compares to your favorite tools. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to support. I am new to video creation and editing, so if any of you know how to improve my video content, script or editing, please do let me know. Thanks for making it this far, and I'll see you in the next one.